Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of Arduino, a versatile microcontroller platform that's revolutionizing DIY electronics projects.
Hey there, fellow enthusiasts. And in this video, we'll be giving you a comprehensive introduction to Arduino and showing you how to get started with your own projects. First things first, what exactly is Arduino? Well, at its core, Arduino is an open-source hardware and software platform that makes it easy for anyone to create interactive projects. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced maker, Arduino offers endless possibilities for creativity and innovation.
The Arduino board consists of various components including microcontrollers, input-output pins, and power connectors. These components work together to control and interact with the physical world through sensors, lights, motors, and more.
Now let's talk about how you can use Arduino in your own projects. One of the great things about Arduino is its simplicity and flexibility. You don't need a background in electronics or programming to get started. All you need is a desire to learn and experiment. Programming Arduino is also beginner-friendly, thanks to its user-friendly IDE, integrated development environment, and extensive community support. With just a few lines of code, you can create custom behaviors and functions for your project. To give you a taste of what Arduino can do, let's create a simple project together. We'll start by blinking an LED, a classic Arduino experiment that demonstrates the basics of digital output and control. And there you have it, our crash course on Arduino. Whether you're interested in robotics, home automation, or wearable tech, Arduino is the perfect platform to bring your ideas to life. Thanks for joining us today. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Arduino tutorials and project ideas. Until next time, happy tinkering.